Hi, how you doing? This is Chris, or Captain OldBlue. YARRRR. Hope you're doing well, mateys. Okay, so I'm going to have a little word with you right now about software. If you're going to be doing this course, there is some software you're going to need, and I'm going to expand on that in some future lessons, don't you worry. The software that you're going to need will be a 3D application of your choice. Now I'm going to recommend 3D Studio Max or Blender, both of which you'll be able to get for free as a student. You are going to need the Quixel suite of software, which is free, and you're going to need access to Megascans, which is free if you're using Unreal Engine, and you're going to need Unreal Engine 4, which is free. So that's the shopping list, and you'll notice the word free on all of those. Possibly later on you might need a C++ compiler, but it's very unlikely we'll be going that deep into things. If we do, maybe, but I'll give you plenty of warning, don't worry. Okay? As it stands, you're not going to need to use any real coding when it comes down to it, so I hope you find that a little bit more relaxing. Okay, so get started with the videos for each individual piece of software, and I shall see you there. Oh, and take care.